What is semantic encoding for building a strong memory palace? Imagine walking through a familiar house and instantly recalling everything you need to remember. That's the power of a memory palace, and today we are going to see how semantic encoding makes it even more effective. Semantic encoding is all about understanding the meaning behind the information you want to remember. Instead of just memorizing words or facts as they are, you process them by their significance. This involves thinking about what the information means and how it connects to what you already know. When building a memory palace, semantic encoding helps transform simple data into vivid, meaningful images. Start by choosing a place you know well, like your home or a familiar street. As you decide what to remember, turn each piece of information into a mental image that makes sense to you. For example, if you want to remember a list of historical events, instead of just picturing a date, imagine a scene that captures the essence of each event. If you're learning about the signing of a treaty, picture the handshake, the documents, and the emotions involved. The key is to make these images meaningful. Add sensory details like colors, sounds, or smells to deepen the connection. For instance, if you're memorizing the water cycle, imagine the sound of rain, the smell of wet earth, and the feeling of water droplets on your skin. These details make the images more memorable and easier to recall later. Creating associations is another important part. Link new information to concepts you already understand. If you're learning about a new scientific principle, relate it to something familiar, like how a bicycle works or how a recipe is made. This builds a network of connections in your brain, making retrieval smoother. Organizing your information logically within your memory palace also helps. Place related items close together or in a sequence that makes sense. This way, when you mentally walk through your house or street, the flow guides you naturally to the right memories. Using multiple senses in your mental images boosts encoding even more. Imagine hearing sounds, feeling textures, or smelling scents associated with each piece of information. This multisensory approach creates richer memory traces that stick longer. In short, semantic encoding turns raw facts into meaningful, vivid mental images linked to familiar places. It taps into your brain's natural strengths in understanding and spatial memory. By focusing on the meaning and connections, you make your memory palace a powerful tool for learning and retaining information over time.